are the building blocks of life, and they come together in the billions to make every living organism on the earth. In this video, we will dive deep into these tiny structures to find out how they work. Cells are made up of organelles, which are similar to the organs in our own bodies, such as our heart, stomach, and so on. Each organelle has its own function, and they all work together to keep the cell alive. The first organelle we are going to look at is the nucleus. The nucleus is like the brain of the cell. It controls all functions in the cell and is usually located in the center of the cell. Inside of the nucleus are the chromosomes. The chromosomes are like the soul of the cell. They make up its personality with codes known as DNA. Each organism has its own DNA code. Since a cell is a living thing, it needs to eat just like we do. Ribosomes are the organelle that build the proteins used for food in the cell. Once the proteins have been built by the ribosomes, they are transferred to one of the largest organelles in the cell called the endoplasmic reticulum. This organelle acts like a warehouse that stores the food until it is needed. The organelle that burns the energy is called the mitochondria. These are often referred to as the power plants of the cell because they generate all of its power. There may be many mitochondria depending on what kind of cell it is. All of these organelles float in the cytoplasm, which is the fluid that fills the space around the organelles. All of this is held in by the last organelle that we will talk about, which is the cell membrane. The cell membrane keeps everything in the cell, yet still lets some materials in and out as needed. A group of cells make up a tissue, a group of tissues make up an organ, and a group of organs make up animals like us.